This word is pronounced as lagi in Filipino or Tagalog, but in Bisaya, it is pronounced as lagi, which has different meanings or definitions depending on how it is being said. Different ways of using the word lagi in Bisaya. The first one is for expressing agreement. Yesterday, someone asked what's the difference between lagi and bitaw since both words actually can be used to express agreements on a statement. So we use the word lagi when we want to express agreement on something that is obvious to both speakers. So for example, init lagi diri no? And the second speaker would say, maug yun, mao jud. So in English, it's basically saying, it's very hot in here. And the second speaker saying, maug yun is agreeing, say, spot on. So in that conversation, both speakers agree that the environment is very hot. That's why the first speaker says, init lagi diri no? It's like it's very hot in here. And the second speaker agrees, maug yun, spot on. Bitaw is used to confirm one statement or basically affirming one statement. So for example, dami kaayo ang manok diri. Bitaw, maunang daghan kaayo mamalit. In English, it means the chicken here is very delicious. And the second statement means, or that's right, that's why a lot of people buy from this place. Use lagi when you want to express strongly or in a strong agreement to someone's statement when it is like obvious to both people. Another use of the word lagi is validation. So in English, it can be translated as saying, see, didn't I say so? So for examples, daan palagi ko, baka ko na siya. In English, it means like, see, I told you, he's a liar. This is a very common one. Maulagi na, giing na nabitaw. In translation, it means, see, didn't I tell you so? And another use of the word lagi is when you want to emphasize a request. It's basically like a warning. I already told you, already said a request. Isirado lagi ang portahan. Said, close the door. So it's like a strong command. Lagi, isirado lagi. Close the door. I already told you so. Another use of lagi is when you want to make a point of something but with a condition. So for example, guwapo lagi pero baho man po ilok. So in English it means like he's handsome but his spits stink. So again, those are the uses of the word lagi. This is your teacher Joanne. Hope you learned something new. Sa sunod, salamat!